We're Alan and Kaz, and this week we're travelling to the ancient Holy Island in Northumberland UK as part of the Northumberland 250 road trip. Subscribe and come along with us with new videos every Sunday.
Morning all, morning. We were going to go straight to Holy Island this morning, but we decided to take a little detour. It's called St Cuthberts Cave, so we're going to head up there. It's a beautiful morning. More important news for this morning, we're in the boat, both in the same colour scheme. A yellow and an off yellow, and a burnt orange.
I like my colour better.
So here's a bit of history for St Cuthberts Cave. St Cuthbert was, I think, 856 AD, I think. 856 AD, and he was one of the saints that apparently had the healing powers. And he died at Lindisfarne on Holy Island, and they laid his body to rest here before they took it to Durham Cathedral. And then it was used for all sorts of stuff, lambing sheds and things like that later.
Go. What are you doing? You're leaning backwards. You gotta lean in and run up.
I'm not very good at stuff like that.
So before National Trust owned this, there was a family, I think 1936 bought it, a local family, up until the Trust bought it in 81. And the local family used it as a resting place for all their family, and in the caves. And when they took them away, when the Trust bought it and they took the bodies away, they left the memorials here. Like this. Jennifer Saunders. Pretty strange past it's got, but it's yeah, this is the last resting place of St Cuthbert of Lindisfarne. So boss, where are we off now?
So now we're heading over to Holy Island.
Holy
Island.
Holy Island of Lindisfarne. Hey! Half of it right. So the reason we're up at silly o'clock this morning, 5 o'clock, is that to get over to Holy Island, there's a causeway, and you can only get over it on certain times when the tide's low. This morning, you can only get over until 9:15, and then you can't get back until 1:45. So that gives us about like a 3-hour window, because we've got a load of other stuff to do. But we wanted to go to St Cuthberts Cave first, so we had to get up at like 5 and get there for 6. So I'm gonna race over there now and get across there before the tide comes in. Morning everybody. What a gorgeous day on Holy Island. Sun shining, Holy Island, Lindisfarne. It's actually really pretty. It's like a place that time forgot. You know, it's got that feel. It's got that feel that the outside world isn't really happening here. It's
a bit quintessential.
Quintessential, quaint.
Quaint. Yeah.
Very quaint. This place is like the land that time forgot, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a few holiday cottages and that sort of thing here, but it's pretty much...
It's quite desolate.
Yeah, it's pretty desolate, really. It's proper nice.
It's lovely and the sun's shining and the water's really clear and calm, and it's a beautiful little island.
Oh, this looks like something scary. They're big, aren't they?
Yeah, they're a lot bigger than I expected them to be.
So these are some of the biggest in Northumberland, and what they do is they take the lime from different areas of the island, and then they dump it in these, you can see it there, they dump it in these big kilns, and they do lime coal, and it burns and then refines, and they shovel it out on train tracks out here, and then onto wooden jetties that were here and off to Dundee and everywhere else. And these are some of the biggest in Northumberland. Definitely the most well preserved. You can see better like that. That's where they dump it in the top. Maybe see out the drone shot. And then out to Dundee.
Fascinating.
It is actually, isn't it? And these are one of the biggest. They see, look, the chutes lot slides down. These are one of the biggest in Northumberland. Pretty smashing these, aren't they?
What a nice, just a nice place to look out at.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Well done.
There you go.
The Tower of Allen.
So this place behind us is called Daymarker. I think it's called a Daymarker, isn't it? If it's not called Daymarker, then put it in the comments what it actually is.
If you know.
If you know, yeah. But I think it's the same idea as a trig point, but it's for ships. I could be totally wrong with that, but I think that's what it is.
That's quite impressive if you've got that right.
If I've got it wrong, it's not very impressive. But I think that's what it is. So if it's not, leave it in the comments. And while you're leaving a comment, you can subscribe.
Yes, please.
As ruins for places go. This abbey on Holy Island is pretty impressive. Immaculately kept as well. Really good example. Huge great arch arch windows, huge, fantastic. Tell you what, it's a jewel in the crown, this thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been
Holy
really
Island.
lovely.
If you're in Northumberland, I think before we started looking at coming here, I'd never even looked at and never even heard of Holy Island. Well, I had heard of it, but not. It's like, wow, we need to go there.
I don't think I had.
I'd heard of Lindisfarne, Holy Island, but not. If you're in this area, even if you're not in the area, I tell you, it's worth coming, getting
It's
a little
worth a
place.
drive,
Yeah,
isn't it?
get a hotel up here and come and visit Holy Island for the day, because it's really nice, especially if the weather's nice as well.
There's so much to see. I mean, there's the abbey, there's
Yeah.
the castle, there's the coastal walk, there's the pyramids at the end, there's the beaches, and there's the towns with the little coffee shops. There's the upside down boats, there's the harbour.
It's a 15k walk all the way round, isn't it? So if
Yeah,
you want to
it's
just come with
lovely.
that, and you're not bothered about tide times, if you come in the morning and then go later at night, it's proper good. So
We even saw a seal bobbing up and down in the sea.
come check it out. That's what I'm talking about.
Millionaire shortbread.
What is that place? Pilgrim's Gelato. Dairy free, free from. Never see that, where everything in there is made from free from.
Just catered for you, Alan.
Yeah.
Just because they knew you were coming.
Honeycomb, what have you got?
Millionaire shortbread.
Millionaire shortbread. Nice.
So, we are just leaving Holy Island. The tide is coming in fairly quickly, so we need to get a move on. We've only got literally about 5 minutes to get off the island before they close it, and we can't get out again, and then we'll be stuck here till 9 o'clock tonight. So, get your foot down, Alan.
I told you we didn't have time for the abbey.
Get your foot down, we need to get a move on and get across this island pretty quick.
We made it. Jules has got dry tyres.
Only just.
Only just. I tell you what, there was a lot of people trying to get over there quickly. That was good fun. That was quite exciting, wasn't it?
Yeah. But you could literally see it like coming in as we were getting across. Yeah. It was, it's good fun.
Thanks for watching this week's video, guys. Next week we continue the Northumberland 250 down the east coast, looking at ancient castles and amazing sights. See you next week, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you soon, everyone.